Hello, boys and girls. We are going to do a drawing of two koi fish today. So make sure you're following directions and being very quiet in class so we can get this done quickly. And then you guys can fill in your background. Make sure you're following directions in class, guys. If I tell you we're going to start with pencil, you start with pencil, okay, guys? If I tell you we're going to start with crayon, the first color we're using is orange. Okay, get your orange crayon and we're going to start drawing our first koi fish. And it's going to be lots of curves, okay, guys? So we're going to start our first curve for our koi fish. And it's going to go like this in the center of our page. Okay, very simple curve. Very simple curve. We're going to touch the end of that curve and go back up. Looks like a giant eye. Okay, guys, our orange koi fish. Okay, now we're going to do some more lines. Curve up, and then we're going to do a curve back down right there. Make sure you're using your orange. Okay, then we're going to draw a fin. Everybody see your fin? Okay, and straight on the other side, we're going to do another fin. Okay, again, we're using crayon. We're adding more fins at the bottom, okay? A curve, and then another curve on the other side. Very good. And we're going to do two more curves at the bottom, so follow this line down, give yourself a curve, and then go around for another curve. Okay, very, very easy koi fish. Now we're going to give him some whiskers, okay? I'm going to give him some very wispy whiskers there. Okay, that's going to be our first koi fish. You're going to grab your yellow. You're going to add some detail lines to the front of that. Color this part in yellow. And then we're going to add some detail lines to his fins. And remember, the magic of the crayon. If you're drawing this in pencil, you won't be doing these detail lines. You will be coloring it in afterwards. Okay, curve. Detail lines for our fins. Okay, and we're going to do our second koi fish. Our second koi fish is going to be done with red. Okay, so get your red crayon. We're doing our second koi fish. Okay, we're going to start with our curve again. Ooh, I did not get the right color. So I want you guys to use red. I'm going to switch to red. Okay, red. Going over that curve with red. Okay, now I want another curve. This is a smaller koi fish than the first. Okay, we have our curves for our fish. Are doing our fins for our red koi fish. One right there at the bottom. Another one on the other side. Okay, another one right here to the side. One more. Okay. Two more fins at the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to give this guy a center line, just like we did our orange one. Okay, center line. And he's going to have red spots, so we're going to cover this in with red spots. Okay, give him some curves. And this part is going to be painted in red, colored in red. Okay, emphasis lines. If you're drawing in pencil, you won't be doing this. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our green. Our green are going to be our lily pads. So we're going to do a few green circles in here. Some of them are going to be complete circles. Some of them are just going to be the edges of our circles. Okay, so let's start in the top corner. We're going to give ourselves a very, very wiggly circle and a mouth. Okay, that's going to be our lily pad. You can do some lines like this. Okay. We're going to do another one at the bottom corner. In, out, around. Same thing, lines. Do that bottom corner here. Okay. We're going to fill in our corners first. So next corner, we're going to give ourselves a wavy line. Go up, down, and a curve again. Same thing, lines. Okay, next corner, curvy line, in, out, curvy line. Okay. Another curvy line, down, out, curvy line to make the rest of our circle, and then those lines. One more time, right here, big curvy line, in, out, big curvy line. Okay, two more, curvy line, out, go in, out, and then give yourself another curvy line. Okay, curvy line, in, out, curvy line. Be sure to push pause and play whenever you need to, guys. We're going to go back to our red for our flower. And we're going to give ourselves some curves. So some flower petals, curve, curve, curve. It's a very pointy flower. This is a lotus flower, so it's a very pointy flower. And then little triangles in between. Okay. Back to our white crayon magic. Okay, so we're going to use our white to make this look like there's more movement. Again, if you're drawing in pencil, you will draw these lines also. Okay, I'm just tracing around the fish to make movement lines. You won't see them because I'm using white crayon. So I will go around with blue also. Okay, going around with blue. So these lines show that there's movement in our painting. Okay, I think that's all of them. Oh, there's one right here. A few more near our fish. Okay, now we're going to grab our yellow and do some yellow lines into our lily pads. Yellow lines. Okay, boys and girls, if you're drawing with me, we're done with our drawing. This is the part where you're going to fill in your drawing with lots of color. I want to see your background completely covered in color. Okay, boys and girls, get started.